Star. I've got Fred Bell back up here with me from the Palm Springs Air Museum, where this beautiful aircraft comes from. Single-engine aircraft. But there's an intake on the lower left and the lower right side. The two scoops bring the air in. And the way the engine is enjoying the jump out.
Yeah, any of these vintage aircraft, there's no need to push them to that ragged edge of the flight envelope anymore. So we just, and it was based on a T-33. The only difference is they took out the T-33 and put two Garrett fans on either side. And from what I understand, their airplane will never fly. You could stand on its tail. And it was a modification kit for that airplane that they just never could sell.
If I recall, that was 1980s. It was
as a F-16 or an F-35, so the flight envelope's a little bit different. But he is an amazing pilot. He is also an emergency room physician practicing. And 25,000 feet. That looks like a dirty pass.
So the dirty pass got the landing gear down, slowing it down to approach speed. A little faster than approach speed, it looks like. Put the flaps down to get a little more lift.
These aircraft are fairly rare in Airshow. You see them occasionally, but
The air dogfight took place. That was in Korea, 8th of November of 1950. And Lieutenant Russell Brown, flying an F-80, shot down a Russian MiG-15, despite the fact that 4 of his 6 guns were jammed. So the first
ejection seat, it's not an ACES ejection seat. You are sitting on a mortar shell that basically detonates and launches you out of the airplane.
Yeah,
not a lot of fun.
No, it's not really good for your lower back. Not bad.
It's used it for a long time, then it worked on its way as a hack where people used it to move around in, and then they were retired. Really, from the 1950s, it is truly a heritage aircraft. This aircraft and the F-84s and the F-86s in the early Korean War were pretty much all we had.
Yeah, this was the aircraft that was the ace man.